Share la pia ni bugbo kawe JUJUPOWER. Eka sano. Motide ni ilu Baton Rouge. We in Baton Rouge, right, Mama? I'm at BB and PF Fire African Restaurant. I just ate good with Miss Caroline. That's right. She's from Ado State in Nigeria, and she cooking just like she's at home. And can you greet the people?
Hello, everybody.
All right. This food is good. Home cooking.
African soul food.
Yeah, this is African soul food right here in BR in Baton Rouge. Y'all got to check her out. I took some pictures of the food, and right now my belly is full. I got me some emu, some palm juice, and I'm living good. We got the Sierra Leone connection in the house. We got the Nigerian connection in the house. You know, and we living good. So y'all got to come see her. BB and PF. What's the name of this street?
Florida Boulevard.
Florida Boulevard. Yes, BB and PF. African cuisine, and I'm telling you the food's good. I just had me some groundnut stew and fufu. That's one of my favorites. It's good, and they open for business. Asheo in Baton Rouge. You can look them up. BB and PF 10248 on Florida Boulevard, Baton Rouge.